The 10 disaster planning essentials for a small business. And today we're talking about having a communication plan in place. You might ask, what is a communication plan? Imagine your email goes down, your cell phones goes down. How are you able to communicate with your staff and your customers? There's many different ways that needs to be written out. More importantly, test it out. You want to make sure that there's other methods that you're able to reach your staff and your customer, especially in case of some kind of emergency or some kind of a disaster, right? You might want to warn your staff not to come into the office. There might be a situation in the office, or same thing with the customers, right? You might be experiencing a situation in your office that's affecting your service delivery or product delivery or your ability to be able to service your customers. So very critical part of your plans, you want to make sure you have a written communication plan that's shared with your staff, so in case something does happen, some kind of a disaster, they're able to understand and follow that plan and able to communicate with you through other means or methods. Thank you for watching. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO and founder of itfirm.com, and we'll see you in the next video.